Hi guys! Today I'm making a fake miniature eyeshadow palette inspired by James Charles. This is not affiliated with him in any way, shape, form, not legitimate branding or anything, literally just paperboard, paint, and cornstarch. So let's do this. The first thing I'm doing is taking a rectangle of paperboard and hole punching it 32 times. Now, repeat for a second time. Next, cut 7 holes down the middle. And unfortunately, they won't line up as nicely or look as neat as the hole punched ones. Cut 2 more pieces of paperboard, glue them together, and then glue under the other 2 pieces of paperboard. Trace the rectangles on paperboard twice, making sure to leave a space between them so that you can fold it. Score on the 2 lines, then fold. Glue the stacked paperboard to the inside of the folded paperboard, forming the base for the palette. Paint black, and then now we get to fill in all the eyeshadow color. To make the fake eyeshadows, I'm just taking paint and cornstarch and mixing them together to get a nice matte look. And now that one is done, we just have 38 more to go. Now all the colors are in and it looks pretty cute. For a finishing touch, I'm just using a little printout, cutting it, folding it, and then slipping it on over the palette. And now our fake eyeshadow is complete and I love it. It's super adorable and I had a lot of fun doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!